guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Carly and welcome to my YouTube family. So today's video is going to be on this beautiful, romantic, soft Valentine's Day pink smoky eye look. I don't usually wear pink eyeshadow a lot, but I thought Valentine's Day is the perfect occasion to try a little bit of pink eyeshadow. I've also used some glitter and added in some purple tones as well. I just think this look came out really pretty. You could definitely wear this on any occasion. I just thought it would be perfect for Valentine's Day. And I've paired it with this really nice soft nude pink lip. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so you don't miss out on any new videos. Let's jump straight into the video. If you'd like to see how to create this romantic glittery pink smoky eye, then please keep watching. First I'll be starting with the skin, and I'm going to use the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist just to spritz my face, just to give some hydration and moisture. And for primer, I'm first going in with the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. This one just gives such a dewy, glowy look to my skin, so I really like to use this if I'm looking for that more of a dewy look for my foundation as well. So I love applying this primer first. Next, I'm also going to use another primer. This is the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, and I love this one for smoothing out pores on the skin. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of this just through my T-zone area. Just applying some of that on the nose, just in the middle of the forehead, and on my chin. For foundation today, I'm using my current favourite, which is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I absolutely love this one for more of a dewy glow, and it does have more of a medium buildable to full coverage. I'm just going to blend that in with my beauty blender. I am using the shade Barcelona, and you can see my face is a lot lighter than my neck because I do have a tan on at the moment, so you want to make sure to always match your neck with your foundation colour. Love the finish of that foundation. It just covers beautifully and just gives that nice hydrated glowing look to my skin. For concealer, I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium, and just applying that under the eyes, down the middle of the forehead, down the centre of the nose, and just some on the chin, and just blending that out with my beauty blender. Concealer just covers everything on the face. It's really full coverage, but I don't find it's very drying or too thick. It just blends out beautifully and gives a nice smooth appearance while covering any blemishes and any darkness under the eyes. And then just to brighten up under my eyes a little bit, I'm going to use some of the Huda Beauty. This is the Overachiever Concealer in the shade Marshmallow. Put a tiny bit of this just towards the inner corner of the eyes, just where I tend to get a little bit of darkness. I'm going to set my face with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder in the shade Medium number 2. This is my favourite face powder. I absolutely love it. It's just got such a light formula. It does cover, but it doesn't add too much extra powder on the skin, and it's definitely not drying at all, so it's my favourite powder just to set my whole face with. To bronze up my skin, I'm using the Urban Decay Beached Bronzer in the shade Bronze. This is a really nice warm bronze shade. I absolutely love this one for bronzing up the skin. So I'm just bronzing up the cheeks, along the temples and the forehead, just to give that overall bronzed look. And I'm just going to contour the sides of my nose with this bronzer as well. For blush, I'm going to use the new Jouer Rose Gold Blush Duo. This palette is so beautiful. I'm just going to take this light pink shade here and just add a nice flush of colour to the cheeks. Just something soft and pretty. So I'm just going to zoom you in to do my eyes, and I'm going to do my brows off camera, so I'll be back in a minute. I'm just going to use some of the Too Faced Peach Perfect Setting Powder just to apply under the eyes to catch any eyeshadow, because I am using some darker tones today. Just applying that with my beauty blender just straight under the eyes. For the eyes, I'm first going to use the Huda Beauty. This is the new Matte and Metal Melted Shadows. I'm going to use this side here, which is a beautiful soft pink tone. This is the matte side in the shade Private Jet. And I'm excited to try this. I haven't tried one of these before, so just apply some into the crease. And just using my blending brush, I'm just going to blend that one out. This formula is really interesting. It starts off as a cream, but then it sets as a powder on the eyes. That's blending out really nicely. I was a bit unsure whether this would crease or kind of stick to the eye while you try to blend it, but it's really soft and it just blends out really smoothly. Now I'm going to use the new Huda Beauty Nude palette. I'm so excited to use this. It's my first time trying it. So I'm going to start with the shade Teddy, and I'm just going to lightly blend this shade just over the top of that cream shadow, just to give it a little bit more pigment. Just going for really soft pink mauve tones on the crease first. Now I'm going to go into the shade Spanked, which is a very interesting name for a shadow, and apply this a little bit more directly on the crease with a smaller blending brush. Just more directly into the crease, just to darken up that area a little bit more. And now I'm going to go into the shade Love Bite in the outer corners. This is a really nice purple tone. This is just going to give that nice smoky effect to the outer corner of the eyes. And for the lower lash line, I'm first going to go in with the shade Teddy. And then I'm going to apply a little bit of Spanked over that. And then really close to the lash line, I'm going to apply the shade Love Bite. And then for the waterline, I'm just going to use this Sephora eye pencil. This is in the shade Tango Night. It's a really deep purple tone. I'm going to use the metal side of the Huda Beauty Melted Shadows eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Shimmering Sunset. And I'm going to use this to cut the crease because it has this really nice thin applicator here. It's just a beautiful soft pinky peach tone. I'm starting in the inner corner and just going along the crease. And that's just going to be the base for the shimmer shade I'm going to put on the lid. So that looks really nice. And over the top of that, I'm going to apply this shade called Fantasy. I'm just pressing that right on top of that liquid shadow. Just a really beautiful rose pink tone. Now I'm just going to apply a little bit of this Violet Voss glitter adhesive to the lid. I'm just going to add a little bit of glitter on top. Now I'm going to go in with this glitter shade called Infatuated, which is a beautiful dark rose gold pink shade. Just applying that right on top of that glitter adhesive. Just going to add a beautiful sparkle to the look. And now I'm just going to dust off any of that excess loose powder under the eyes, and this will take away any fallout, which surprisingly there wasn't any fallout from these shadows from Huda Beauty, so that's a really good thing. To highlight the eyes and my face, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome metallic highlighter. This is the rose gold shade. Just going to apply some of that to the inner corners of the eyes, just to stay in that pink tone colour. This just looks so pretty. And also apply some on the brow bone. And then I'm just going to highlight the high points of my cheeks. And then just up to the temples as well. And just above the brows. This just gives a really nice glow to the skin. And some down the centre of the nose, tip of the nose, and also on the cupid's bow. I'm just going to apply some mascara. This is the Hourglass Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. This is a really nice mascara for lengthening the lashes, and I find that it curls my lashes up at the same time, which is really good. So apply that to the lower lashes. And for lashes, I'm going to be using the iconic Lite lashes from House of Lashes. I love these. More of a dramatic look, but not too long, because my lashes do go quite a high up to my eyebrow if I wear anything way too long, so these ones are perfect length. And I always start by pressing the lash down in the centre first, and then the outer corners, and then the inner corner of the lash. Okay, so the lashes are on. Now we're moving on to the lips. First I'm going to line my lips with the Kylie Cosmetics Bare Lip Liner. This is such a creamy, smooth lip liner. I love the formula of the Kylie lip liners. And for lips, I'm going in with the Kylie Jenner Velvet Liquid Lipstick. This one is in the shade Low Key. This is a beautiful warmer tone pink. Such a pretty colour. You could wear this on its own. It does have a little bit more of a creamy formula, being the Velvet Liquid Lipstick. But I'm going to add a little bit of gloss to this look because it is Valentine's Day and you want it to be nice and pretty and glossy looking. So I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty. This is the Gloss Bomb in the shade Fussy. It's just a pretty light pink shimmer, and I'm just going to apply some of that over the top. And lastly, I'm going to spray some of the MAC Fix Plus. This is the Pink Light. I'm just going to shake it up. You can see it has these beautiful pearlescent pink tones in it. I'm just going to spritz my face. This will help all the highlights just to stand out a little bit more, and also help the powder products to settle into the skin. So this is the final look. I'm absolutely in love with the glitter pink eyes. I think they came out really beautiful. And this would be a perfect look for Valentine's Day or just any night out that you might be going out, if you're going out with your friends or with a partner. I think this look would be really pretty. I'm obsessed with the Huda Beauty new nude eyeshadow palette. The colours in there are amazing. The formula is beautiful. The shadows blend out so nice, and the glittery shadows apply to beautifully. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.